Now let's move towards our exercise 12b, question number 15, in which we have given with the height and the slant height, volume you have to find out, and the total surface area. Again, by using Pythagoras theorem, base square is equals to hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square. So you will get the base radius. Radius is equals to hypotenuse, which means the slant height, and perpendicular means the height. So radius is square root 152. Now you have to calculate the volume. Volume formula is 1/3 pi r square h. Pi is constant, r you know, and h also is known. Okay, so here is your formula. In this, h is height, and where L is, it means slant height. Okay, so the next you have to calculate the total surface area. Total surface area formula is pi rl plus pi r square, where L means the slant height and its value is 21. So put the values in the formula and calculate it. This is the question number 15. Next is question number 16. Question number 16, you have to focus and you have to carefully look at the figure which they are given to you, which is given to you and which they have drawn. In this figure you can see it's a cone, but it's the cone like this, that its top part is removed, so it becomes a frustum. So you have to consider it like a cone and solve the whole figure. So first of all, for the concept we are using in this question is similar triangles. You can see the two triangles, which is XPS and XQU. These two triangles are similar. For the property of similarity, we know that the ratio of the side XP over XQ is equal to the ratio of the side PS over QU. Okay, so this is the property of similar triangles, which you are already aware of it, you are know. The next is what is the XP? XP we don't know, so we put it H here, and the XQ is H plus 18, and PS is equals to 16 and QU is equals to 15. Put the values and you have to now cross multiply both these values and find the value of H. H becomes 12 centimeter. So from here we can find out the height QX, which is H plus 18. When you know H is 12, for the height H plus 18, it becomes 30 centimeter height of QX. Okay, we're using the property of similar triangles and find out the value of H, small h and capital H. Small h is for the smaller cone and capital H is for the bigger cone. For the volume of frustum, you have to subtract the volume of bigger cone and the volume of smaller cone, and you will get the volume of frustum. So the volume formula is 1/3 pi r square h. We use the same formula, but for bigger cone the representation of radius is capital R and the height representation is capital H, and volume of small cone is equals to 1/3 pi r square h. In both the terms you can see 1/3 pi is common. I have take it out and the rest of the things put in the bracket. Now put the values and you can solve it and find the volume of the frustum. Here we have small difference in this question is you have to use the property of similar triangles to find the height. Okay, I hope so it will be clear to you. This is our question number 18. Here in the question we are given with the radius, which is 13.5 meter, and the total surface area of the cone is 1240 meter square. You know the formula of total surface area, which is equal to pi rl plus pi r square, which is equal to 1240, which is already given in the statement. You have to find out the L. In this equation, L is unknown. Pi, you know, our radius is given, and L, which is the slant height, is unknown, plus pi r square, put the values and solve the equation. So you will get the slant height value L, which will be 15.74 meter. Next we have to find the height. For the height you are using Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem states that hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus perpendicular square. So put the values in the formula and you will get the height of the cone, which is 8.09 meter. The last thing, you have to find out the volume of the cone. The formula is 1/3 pi r square h. In this formula we know the value of radius and the height. Put the values in the formula and calculate the volume. Here we have our question 18 and we are done with the exercise 12b.